Hello students, welcome again in this beautiful world of accountancy. I hope you all are practicing hard at home. Now to this video, I am going to start full-fledged question of admission of a partner in which we will learn how to prepare revaluation account, partner's capital account and balance sheet. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and share my channel. Now I'm starting my today's class with preparation of full-fledged question. I'm not wasting your time in telling you how to prepare revaluation account, how to prepare partners capital account and how to prepare balance sheet because I assume ये चीज़ें आपने पिछले चैप्टर में सीख ली थी. तो instead of wasting your time in telling those things, let's start the full-fledged question. In the given problem, Shashi and Ashu were partners. They were sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. At the time of admission of Tanya, their balance sheet represents creditors at rupees 18,000. General reserve is of rupees 25,000. Workman compensation reserve is of rupees 15,000. And their capitals are of rupees 15,000 and 10,000. And debtors are of rupees 22,000. Less 1,000 is given here for provision for doubtful debt. Land and building is of rupees 18,000. Plant and machinery of rupees 12,000. Stock of rupees 11,000. And finally the bank balance is of rupees 21,000. Now, at the time of admission of Tanya, it was granted that she will get 1/6 share in profit, and it was decided that provision for doubtful debt is to be increased by rupees 1500. It means जो provision पहले 1000 का था अब 2500 का आएगा balance sheet में, and that increase of 1500 will be termed as loss. That's why we will represent that thing on debit side of revaluation account. Second, value of land and building is increased to rupees 21,000. It means land and building is increased by rupees 3,000. Again, it will be termed as income and it is to be shown on credit side of revaluation account. Next, value of stock is increased by rupees 2,500. Again, there is a profit and it will be shown on credit side of revaluation account. And value of stock will be represented in balance sheet at rupees 13,500. Next, the liability of workman compensation fund was determined to be rupees 12,000. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें हमारा वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व जो कि पहले बैलेंस शीट में दे रखा है वो है 15,000 और हमारा लाइबिलिटी है सिर्फ 12,000. इट मीन्स देयर इज रिडक्शन इन द लाइबिलिटी. इट मीन्स रिमेनिंग 3,000 विल बी टर्म्ड एज फ्री रिजर्व जो पुराने पार्टनर्स में ओल्ड रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट इज फॉर गुडविल विच वॉज ब्रॉट बाय तान्या एट रुपीज 10,000. And that goodwill is to be shared between partners in their sacrificing ratio, which is equal to their old ratio. It means that 10,000 will be distributed between partners in 3:2. Next adjustment is for Tanya bring 15,000 for her share of capital, and that capital will be shown on her capital account, and that 15,000 also be added in bank account. Finally, the last things in which they ask us to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the firm after Tanya's admission. Now, first we will prepare revaluation account. अगर आपको याद हो मैंने पहला एडजस्टमेंट बताया था प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट इज इंक्रीज बाय 1500. जब प्रोविजन बढ़ता है देन it will create a loss and that loss is to be represented on debit side of revaluation account like I'm showing it on debit side of revaluation account by rupees 1500. Next adjustment says value of land and building is to be increased to rupees 21,000. land and building का value 21,000 तक increase हो गया. It means there is a increase of rupees 3,000. अगर आपने balance sheet को ध्यान से देखा हो in old balance sheet building was shown to us at rupees 18,000. It means there is an increase of rupees 3,000 which will be termed as profit and profit are to be shown on credit side of revaluation account. Next, value of stock is increased by 2,500. थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट जो था उसमें था कि स्टॉक का वैल्यू 2,500 से बढ़ गया. And whenever there is increase in the value of stock, again it will create income and which is to be represented on credit side of revaluation account. Now, after posting all the relevant information related to revaluation account, our next step is to distribute profit or loss whatsoever is the outcome. When we compare debit side and credit, we can clearly see that debit side is smaller in comparison to credit side. Since total of credit side is 5,500 and on debit side only 1,500 appears, therefore balancing figure of 4,000 will be termed as profit on revaluation account, and that profit is to be distributed between partners in their old ratio, which is 3:2. When we distribute 4,000 in 3:2, Shashi will get 2,400 and Ashu will get 1,600. Now, after preparation of revaluation account, our next step is preparation of partners capital account. While preparing partners capital account, first we will write their balances given in old balance sheet. Those are 15,000 for Shashi and 10,000 for Ashu. After that, we will start distributing general reserve, and as per last balance sheet, general reserve value is of rupees 25,000. When we distribute it in their old ratio of 3:2, Shashi will get 15,000 and Ashu will get 10,000. Similarly, workman compensation reserve, free portion of workman compensation reserve which will be in our hand, उसमें से liability निकालने के बाद is of rupees 3,000, and when we distribute that 3,000 in their old ratio which is of 3:2, Shashi will get 1,800 and Ashu will get 1,200. After that, we will post profit from revaluation account, and the profit which was computed by us on previous slide was 2,400 for Shashi and 1,600 for Ashu. After that, we will write the capital brought by new partner Tanya, and which was of rupees 15,000. After that, we will distribute or make treatment of goodwill, और जो goodwill तान्या लाई है वो है 10,000, and we will distribute that goodwill in their sacrificing ratio. और इस केस में केस नंबर 1 में ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है, और प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 में आपका जो ओल्ड रेशियो होता है वही सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो होता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग दिस गुडविल इन देयर ओल्ड रेशियो विच इज ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज देयर सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो, क्योंकि ये सिचुएशन 1 है रेशियो जब हमने कंप्यूट करना सीखा था उसकी. आफ्टर दैट वी विल कंप्यूट देयर बैलेंस सीडीज, एंड बैलेंस सीडी ऑफ शशि इज 40,200, आशु 26,800 and Tanya 15,000. These balances will be represented in balance sheet on liability side. Now, after preparation of partners capital account, our next step is preparation of balance sheet. And while preparing balance sheet, first thing we will write in it is debtor, and those debtor are to be shown after reducing new provision, and that provision is 1,000 old provision plus 1,500 increased provision. It means total provision of 2,500 must be subtracted from debtor. In result, we will get 19,500. Next, we will write land and building at new value after increase, plant and machinery existing value, or we can say old value. Stock after increase value of 2,500, 13,500. Now bank balance. That bank balance will be computed by working note, which is opening value of bank plus new partners capital plus new partners goodwill. On adding these three amounts, we will get the bank balance of rupees 46,000. After making computation of bank balance, your next step is creditors as it is, workman compensation reserve जितना liability determine हुआ था, अगर याद हो तो वो 12,000 का था. Now after writing liability of 12,000, your next step is capitals जो हमने पिछली स्लाइड में कंप्यूट किया था एज बैलेंस सीडी. नाउ दैट्स इट, एंड इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डू सम एडिशनल फुल फ्लेज क्वेश्चन ऑन एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर. फॉर द टाइम बिंग, गुड बाय, एंड अगेन बिफोर लीविंग दिस पेज, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel once again.